When I was small and Christmas trees were tall, used to love while others used to play. Don't ask me why, but time has passed us by. Someone else moved in from far away. Now we are tall and Christmas trees are small. You don't ask the time of day, but you and I, our love will never die. But guess we'll cry come 1st of May. The apple tree that grew for you and me, I watch the apples falling one by one, and I recall the moment of them all, the day I kissed your cheek and you were gone. Now you are tall and Christmas trees are small, and you don't ask the time of day, but you and I, our love will never die. I guess we'll cry come 1st of May. Well, how do there, pluckers? Ivor Sawfingers again with you with hopefully another oldie but goldie from the Bee Gees from way back when, and a song called 1st of May. Standard tuning, no capos, okay, doing it in the same key as the original recording from the Bee Gees. Again, please excuse the singing, it's just for reference only, okay. So the introduction, we're starting on a D chord, but it's played as an F shape on the 10th fret. All individual notes at the intro, okay, so starts off, so you fret the F shape on the 10th fret, and it's strings 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then we play a G chord as a D shape, a D shaped chord, but on the 7th and 8th fret, top 3 strings, okay, and that starts off with strings 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then finish up on the pink key, goes up and plays the 10th fret on the 10th fret there on the top E string, alright. Okay, so far. Okay, and the final one is back to the D chord again, 10th fret. So that's strings 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, no sorry, just stop at that point, so it's 2, 1, 2, 3. Alright, and then you do this slide from the 11th fret on the 3rd string up to the 12th and back to 11. Back to the 9 on the 3rd and then the 7 on the 3rd. And then you play an A chord. You could play an A chord on the 5th fret if you wanted to. There or there, whichever way you want. Okay, so the whole intro. Then we're into the song. When I was small, D and Christmas F sharp minor. That's a straight, simple F sharp minor, barring the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret with the 1st finger, and then the 3rd finger and pinky playing the 4th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string, and just 5 down to 1. I'm not playing the bottom E string, okay? When I was small, D and Christmas F sharp minor, trees were tall, G. We used to love D, while others used to A play. So let's do it again. When I was tall, D and Christmas F sharp minor, plays record, G. Used to love D, while others used to A play. Back to D. Don't ask me why. But time F sharp minor again passed us by. G. Someone else D moved in to A away. At this point I like to put a little bit of a riff in, orchestration that's on the record. You do 2 strums on the A, and then you go, that's top E string, pinky goes up and plays the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 2nd fret on the B string, 2nd string, open B string, and then the 2nd on the 3rd. Right, top E string, open, 3rd on the 2nd, 2nd on the 2nd, open 2nd, 2nd on the 3rd. Okay, so that's second half of the 2nd line. Don't ask me why, but time has passed us by. Someone else moved in from far away. Okay, and we go to G. Now we're two, and Christmas D, trees are small. E minor 7th now. That's the way I play it. I'm just playing a single finger, 2nd finger, playing the 2nd on the 5th, the A string. All 6 strings, fine. So that's we are tall and Christmas trees are small. E minor 7th, and you don't ask the time of D day. Now what I like to do on that is a D to D 7th, but it's like in between the 2 chords I play open 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? Like that, so that there's a bit of a build up at that point on the orchestration on the record, and that's as close as I can get on a single instrument, okay? So let's go right from the beginning, okay, up to that point. When I was small and Christmas trees were tall, used to love while others used to play. Don't ask me why, but time has passed us by. Someone else moved in from far away. Riff. G, now we are tall, and Chris D, trees are small. E minor 7th, and you don't ask. D to D to 7th, G, but you and our love D will never die. E minor 7th again, but guess we'll cry the 1st of May. What I do with that is E minor 7th, but guess we'll cry. And then all I'm doing there is a G with A in the bass. So all I'm doing is playing the first 5 strings. I'm not playing the bottom E string. All I'm doing is I'm fretting the 3rd on the top E string, open A string, and all the other strings are open, yeah? That's a G with A in the bass, or G over A, yeah? So that's guess we'll cry D and then the A, and the whole thing starts again. Okay, so from that bit where it goes ask the time of day, but you and our love will never die. Guess we'll cry from 1st of May. Next verse, same as the first one really. But the apple tree that grew for you and me, and watch the apples fall on one by one. And I recall the moment of them all, the day I kissed your cheek and you were gone. Now we're told our Christmas trees are small, and you don't ask the time of day, but you and our love will never die. Guess we'll cry the 1st of May. And that's how I ended it. It obviously just basically then just repeats everything again, okay, the whole thing, both verses all over again, okay. So there you go, boys and girls, hopefully that makes sense to you. Good luck with that, and any questions, let me know. Sorry about the singing once again. I'm no BG. Bye for now, see you in the next lesson.